Cliff from 50 Campfires here, and today I want to talk about why it's a good idea to have 3 ways to start a fire. Yes, I know that it's unlikely that most of you are going to be in a survival situation or that you're 10 miles away from anywhere. And yeah, you can usually walk over to the office at the campground and buy a lighter. That is true. I still think that it's a good idea to always have 3 ways to get a fire started. And I'd say even just further than that, it's just a good habit to have 3 ways to start a fire. So first, number 1. And obviously the first one is just a lighter because it's the easiest way to start a fire. This is your basic Zippo, super simple, easy to use, lasts a bazillion years. This one comes in a kind of a slick little paracord case. So number 1 obviously is a lighter. Number 2, matches, because it's also easy to start a fire with matches. My preference is some kind of storm-proof match. Okay, these are going to be these big, gnarly guys. It's going to give you a much longer burn time. We got a little igniter on the bottom here. Let me show you one of these guys. So that keeps that dry, keeps the matches dry. But that's going to give you more than enough time to get your tinder blasting and get your fire going. And last but not least, number 3, a ferro rod. Oh, ferro rods. So obviously to get these to go, you need to have some nice dry tinder. This is another Zippo product that we dig. This is a very robust ferro rod. It's Army spec, so it's very thick. I mean, this thing kicks it out like crazy. And then this is just a pine tinder shred that you can keep in a little bag. And that will be your last line of defense. The point with all of this is that these last 2 here don't take up a whole lot of space. Throw them in the bottom of the camp box. Something happens with number 1, you have 2 more ways to light a fire just in case you need it. So that's 3 ways to start a fire.